Hi, this is Craig Sharp, and today's short video blog is about cloud computing. It's a very popular term, it's one that's bandied about quite frequently, but to be honest, most people aren't really sure what it is. But more importantly, they're not really sure the value that it brings to their business. So I thought the easiest way to go about this was to just give you a very short description of a case study that we've just completed for a new customer. They're a dynamic charitable organisation, and they wanted to set up a business after they'd moved out from a larger company that was providing all of their IT services. And they needed to work as a coherent business, but in 6 or 7 different geographical locations. But they all needed to access the same data, they all wanted to share the same email system, and they all wanted to make sure that they presented to the outside world as a coherent business. Now that, as an idea, is achievable with cloud computing and cloud services. And essentially it breaks down into very simple, manageable chunks. If you want to work from the same set of documents and data and Excel spreadsheets, then because you're in a different place to your colleagues, you can't put them on a server. So you put them into what's called cloud storage, and there are popular companies out there, Amazon, Dropbox, other companies, who offer the same sort of services I've just described. So they now store all of their information in a cloud storage facility and can have access to that data from wherever they work. They also have a voice over IP phone system, which is often not realised as a cloud service, but it is, because the phone system lives in the cloud and they then connect to that from wherever they're located. So you've then ended up with a company of 7 or so people, each with their own laptop and their own iPhone. However, they're all singing from the same page, using the same data, receiving the same calls. And that's really, hopefully, a useful example, a practical example of how cloud computing could work in business and how it's worked for a business that we've given some advice to.